Hello crafty people, my name is Michelle Zarell. I'm with Dimensional Paper Cuts, and today we're going to put together this adorable little house favor box. It goes together so easily, you're just going to love it. The box has a little wreath on the front, which you can omit if you want to use it with different papers for a neighbor or even a thinking of you, welcome to the neighborhood for realtors. You can use it for any occasion. Be really cute for Halloween too. It's reusable. On the other side, there's a little notch closure. You can put all your little fun things on the inside. And then it closes right back up. It's like magic. Okay, let's get busy and make this. To begin, let's go ahead and put the covering panels of the door and the windows on the outside. And then on the reverse side, the large rectangle is for the windows, so that way you don't have to put each one on individually. Just go ahead and put the inside. Make sure that they are not on your score lines. And you should be great, and then you don't have to do them individually. Let's go ahead and fold the rest of this up. I love the way it comes together, and I really wanted to share that with you. The front of the house, I'm using dash score lines. You'll also find a file in there with solid score lines if you prefer, but I think the dash shows up a little bit better on camera. This is the roof, and we're gonna fold that in just like that. There's another little piece here. We're gonna fold that in. And I'm gonna leave this top one just for a second. Okay, so let's go ahead, put this down, and we're gonna fold all the way across there. All right, I already folded this one. This fold makes the sides of the house. This fold makes the other side of the house. And then at the end, you can see those are the glue tabs. So we're gonna gently fold those in and give them a good crease as well. Okay, now this is the only tricky part, and trust me, it's not that tricky. I don't know if you can see here on camera, but there are like little triangles. The triangles are gonna fold the outside of the house. So those are gonna be mountain folds. They look like a little mountain. So we're gonna make another mountain fold right there. And on the inside here, you can see it's already wanting to bend in. That's good. And then we have on the opposite of that, another mountain fold. There we go. See how that's forming? It wants to go that way, so let it. Okay, then we have right here on the center score line, right here, we have another fold. It's the same thing, it's a mountain fold. The inside straight, that's valley. And then we're gonna make another mountain fold. There we go. So it also is going to want to fold in on itself. Can you see that? Okay, we've only got a couple more to go. There we have another mountain fold. And on this side as well, and it wants to fold in. Okay. Now we have all the folds ready to make assembly easier. Let's go ahead and add some glue to those glue tabs that I mentioned earlier. We're going to add some glue to the outside here. And on both of them, the one for the roof, as well as the one on the bottom. Now we're just going to take it, fold it right in there, and make these meet. Okay? So now we have the house shape. This is so easy and so cute. I'm so excited about how it came together. Okay, so now we're gonna fold these up and then in. And then we're gonna do the same on the behind the house. Fold it up, fold it in. So now they're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead. And the these are the tabs that are meant to be on the inside. We're just going to add a little glue right there, make sure they stay in place. Fold one side in. Add some more glue to this side. Okay, now we have our box finished off with the bottom panel, and it's almost finished. Remember when we made those mountain folds in the corner? That encouraged the fold right there. It's going to want to fold in. We just have to allow it to. Can you see that? So with these folded over, all we have to do is gently hold it and let the little notch slip inside the slot. And there you go. And it stays. Isn't that great? So I'm going to go ahead and grab the little roof panel and add some glue. Okay, and we're going to put that right on the front. All right. I didn't include panels for the rear of the house or the sides because I want them to be easily opened. And I was afraid that if there was a panel on the rear that people wouldn't figure it out. But it's really easy. It opens. You can put your little treats or gift inside. And then close it back up again. Ta-da! Don't forget to check below so you can find the SVG files to make your own house favor box. And also, while you're there, hit the subscribe button down there so that way we can make some more things together. Thanks so much. Have a crafty day.